Alright, I told you I'd do a video on the new Sig Sauer 911 Spartan edition BB gun. Today we're going to be shooting Carlos. This is Carlos. Carlos used to hold a candle a long time ago, but forgive me for the movement. I'm trying to wheel a wheelchair while I'm doing this. We're going to set Carlos about, I don't know, 20 feet. Let's see, we'll go back about, it's about 10 feet. I don't know how I can do this without a stand or something, but safety. Helps to take the safety off. Damn. It's actually got a real kick to it. I'm trying to hold the phone and see if I can shoot it at the same time. It's really got a kick. I was surprised, but I mean, it's just a CO2, just a regular CO2, but it's got a nice kick to it, nice sound to it. The gun itself is just crazy realistic. I would definitely not pull this out around a police officer because he will shoot your ass. I mean, this thing is solid. And it's like built, you know, like a real, you know, you would know the difference. And the BB slide fell out, but you can buy different things. This is just the one that comes with it. Hold on. It's just a thing that comes with it. It holds like, I don't know, maybe 15, but you can buy a better one. You know, that's just a factory one, but I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. I like it. Works good. All right, see ya.